The new bill in the parliament, right to disconnect, prioritizes the work-life balance. But why mid-career professionals are collapsing under invisible pressure? And there are multiple reasons to it. One of them is there is a blurred boundaries because of the hybrid work culture that we are following right now. The inflation is putting a lot of pressure on people finances. There are promotions which are slowed, and there are comparisons which are growing on the social media. Now, this all put together is putting an invisible pressure on the mid career professionals, and they are not only just burnt out because of the fatigue, but they are burnt out because of the loss of identity, their under recognition, their fear of irrelevance, and the relevance that is happening right now in the marketplace because of the introduction of AI. Their invisible ceiling that they are not able to identify and understand, and sluggish growth. All this put a lot of pressure on the mid career professionals. That means the world that is coming now, if you want to prepare yourself, then it is just not about the new build that is going to solve your work life balance, but the inner work that is going to solve your problem. Here is what you can do. Number one, you can start working on yourself. That is, identifying your priority and what are the goals and the visions that you want to fulfill in your life, and be very clear about that. Number two, build your second identity. Beyond your job title, which is your present identity, you need to build your second identity on the social media and the online, especially on the LinkedIn, with your profile, with your content, with your brand, with your influence, and with your unique voice that you yield in your social media. And number three is also create the boundaries. The boundaries, not only the digital boundaries, but also the emotional boundaries. Who do you want to probably listen to, and who do you want to ignore completely because it is irrelevant to you? New age is going to challenge you to create your new identity. So don't just get fatigued and burned out because of the overwhelming pressure that you see right now, but it is an opportunity for you to create your new identity. Just with your friends and colleagues on this, and also type in invisible in the comment box, and I'll share with you what you can do to change your invisible part to the visible part. I'll see you in my next video.